Hey there, homeowners! Thinking about making your bathroom more accessible? Today, I'm diving into the essential guide for a handicap bathroom remodel, brought to you by Southern Oak Home Renovation, right here in Atlanta, Georgia. First up, why consider a handicap remodel? Let's talk benefits. Increased independence. Imagine the freedom of performing bathroom tasks on your own without needing help. Universal accessibility. Your bathroom remains accessible, even if your mobility needs change over time. Occupant safety. Safety features designed to prevent accidents can give you peace of mind. And of course, greater home value. These high-quality, functional renovations can boost your property's value. Now let's break down the renovation process. Initial inspection. Start by evaluating your current bathroom to design a space that meets accessibility needs. ADA compliance. Make sure your renovations meet ADA standards and local building codes for safety. Must-have design features are crucial. Wide doorways. Ensure at least 32 inches wide to accommodate wheelchairs. Open layout. Maximize space for easy navigation. Grab bars. Install these strategically for support and fall prevention. Non-slip floors. Use textured tiles or vinyl to prevent slips. Barrier-free showers and tubs. Curbless showers and walk-in tubs make bathing safer. Wheelchair-accessible fixtures. Position toilets and sinks for easy access. For a successful remodel that covers all your accessibility needs, look no further than Southern Oak Home Renovation. They offer expert services and even a free estimate. Ready to start your project? Contact them at 404-919-0247. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home renovation tips. See you next time.